What's up YouTube, it's your girl Joanne and I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I lay my frontals, so stay tuned.
Let's make a deal, bitch, be for real.
First you want to make sure that your edges are out the way and your hair is laid as flat as possible. Then you're going to go ahead and cut your ear out. Cutting your ear out is going to allow the stocking cap to lay flat at the side of your face. If you just put on the stocking cap, then they would have space between your face and the stocking cap at the side of your ears. I don't know if that makes sense, but whatever. Then you spray on your got-to-be glue along your hairline. What the fuck is wrong with me today? Along your hairline. Then you blow dry that. Simple. You don't even have to layer this too much. It dries quick, so you just put it on, saturate it, make sure you have enough or whatever, and then blow dry it.
Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me.
Once everything is dry and flat, we could move on to the next step, which is cutting the stocking cap along your hairline. You don't want to cut it past your hairline and leave your baby hairs out. You want to cut it like just a little below your hairline, just a tad bit below your hairline. What I like to do when my stocking cap is still lift up at the edges, I go in with my got-to-be glue spray on my comb and just brush it downwards. You don't want to put too much or else the stocking cap will start lifting up. That's going to wet it and make it soft again. So you just want to put a little bit and brush it downwards.
Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything.
I'm just pushing the stocking cap back as close as possible to my hairline, but at the same time I'm not leaving out any of my edges, because when you lay that wig on the edge, like, you know, you're gonna be taking out your edges. You don't want to do that, so you gotta make sure your edges are safe and secured. Okay.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities.
Now I'm gonna put some got-to-be glue on the edge of my comb and just go over the edges of the cap to make sure everything is stuck down. Remember, you don't want to put too much or else that'll make the cap soft again and then it'll slide back, it'll lift up. You don't want that, so just take a little bit, put it at the edge of your comb and just brush it downwards. When you cut out your ear area, you're gonna notice that your stocking cap got a little bit slack. What you could do is just tie a knot in the back just to make it feel more snug and cut the excess off. Then I just went ahead and cleaned around my edges with some alcohol. Now you could go ahead and position that wig on your head and you're gonna want to lift the lace out the way so that you could put on your foundation to match the stocking cap with your skin tone. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline foundation and brush that on my stocking cap. Then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and make sure I dab all that product in.
Just wanna be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirt. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
Now I'm gonna go in with the spritz and spread out where I want my lace to lay. I do not remember the name of this spritz, so I'll go ahead and leave a picture there for you guys to see, and I'll also leave the link down in the description box below. This spritz take a little bit longer to dry than Gots to be glue, but it's not like a big huge difference. Let's say like Got to be glue would take about, let's say about 30 seconds to dry. This one is probably gonna take like 35, but it's cool because like you have enough time to brush out all those little flyaways that may have gotten in the way. You know, you have time to take that off before it dries, so it's cool. I don't know if it's just me, but it's Got to be glue spritz is painful, and like I don't know, I really can't tolerate it anymore, so I need to find something that's quick and easy, and this is doing it. I know y'all probably seem like I just holding this down, but I have the blow dryer between my legs, just have it upwards, and you know, so I can have both of my hands free. So once that is tacky, like once it get a little sticky, you could take your comb and just press it in. Try to avoid using your fingers, but yeah, take the comb and just press it in once it's tacky. Then you're just gonna basically do the same thing until everything is stuck down. Y'all have to excuse my voice. I don't know, I think I'm getting sick. My voice sounds horrible in this video and the other video, but anyways, make sure you guys go ahead and click the link down in the description box below to watch my makeup video, that the one I posted before this one. I did both these videos on the same day, that's why I'm wearing the same clothes, but you know, it's okay or whatever. Yeah, so you could go ahead and check that video out. What is wrong with me? You could go ahead and check that video out also. But yeah, you want to just make sure you rest the lace. When you spray your spritz, just rest the lace on that and let it blow dry until it get like a little tacky. Then you're gonna take your comb and you're gonna like really press it in for it to lay down flat. Like press it in. You're gonna do that all around your hairline until everything is stuck. So I don't think I have to talk much here anymore, but I'll come back when it's necessary. Right now I'm just combing it out to make sure that no hair is stuck together, you know. I want everything to be laid nicely, so you know, just comb it out if any hair is stuck together so that it could unstick. And yeah, just a little reminder, my blow dryer on, it just, you know, between my legs so I can have both hands free.
Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Counting like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
I'm just combing it out to make sure no hair is stuck together. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and clean around my hairline, because you know the spritz could get white, so I'm gonna clean that quick and not really let it sit there for too long.
Take my eyes open to force reality.
Doing the ball cap method with got to be glued is a really quick process. It's gonna probably take you like about 5 minutes to lay your stockings and everything, and then another 10 to 15 minutes to lay your wig. Then you could go ahead and customize the wig however you want it. Right now I'm just laying my baby hairs. You guys don't have to do this part if you're not a fan of baby hairs, but yeah, I'm laying my baby hairs, and that's really pretty much it for this video. I'm wearing the same clothes in the last video I posted. That's because I did this video on the same day I did my hair and my makeup, and I just filmed both. I didn't get to film like a proper intro and outro for this video, but I had clips from that day, so I just kind of, you know, make it into something. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope I really like help you guys out with this. I don't know, maybe I should do a video showing how, you know, I customize my lace and whatever. But yeah, I hope I really help you guys out. Go ahead and leave a like, hit the subscribe button please, so we could get to 100 subscribers by the end of this month. I'm pretty nice. I think we could do that. I don't think that sounds unreal, but you know, we could try it. Let's get it to 100 subscribers by the end of this month. And you know, be sure to check out my beauty playlist, and I have other videos on my channel, so you could go ahead and check those out too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, you know, and do the usual. So yeah, this is the bootleg outro I made, but whatever. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.
Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Counting like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just
up in the wind.
Okay.
Shank cutters off, bitch, get in. And if your nigga don't like me, hit chinny chin chin.